Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to schedule Facebook ads. First, navigate to your Facebook Ads Manager and select the campaign you wish to edit or create a new one. Once inside, proceed to the ad set level, which is where you'll find the crucial scheduling options. This initial step sets the foundation for precise ad delivery, ensuring your message reaches the right people at the right moment. We'll cover each setting in detail. Now, let's define your ad schedule. Within your ad set, scroll down to the Budget and Schedule section. Here, you must select Lifetime Budget instead of Daily Budget to unlock the custom scheduling feature. This allows you to specify exactly when your ads will be active. You can then visually select the blocks of time on a grid, tailoring your ad delivery to your audience's online habits. Customizing your ad delivery is straightforward. You'll see a grid representing days of the week and hours of the day. Simply click and drag to highlight the specific time slots when you want your ads to run. For instance, if your audience is most active between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. on weekdays, you can easily set your ads to appear only during those 4 hours. This precision helps optimize your budget and reach. Finally, it's time to review and launch your scheduled ads. Before publishing, take a moment to meticulously review all your settings, the budget, audience targeting, and especially your custom schedule. Confirm that your ad creative and copy are perfect. Once you are confident everything is correct, click the Publish button. Your ads will then run exactly as you've planned, maximizing their impact and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.